We connect our SIPs one to another by the use of an insulated spline. The first process, or the first step of the process, is to add sealant applied to the foam core in 2 lines, 1 inch from the edge, and then a closing line of sealant. It's also important that we handle all of the electrical chases by adding a circle of sealant around all electrical chases, whether they be at this end or this end of the SIP. The next step, of course, is to take the insulated spline as we put it into the spline pocket and seat it. That sealant squashes, creating a great airtight seal one SIP to the next. It also helps to ensure durability of that joint over time.
Now you can see what they're doing is they're actually pulling a panel together tighter from one end to the other into its slot. That's the one thing that I make a big deal about, because we got to have these panels tight so we don't have air gaps, because the sealant can only do so much. If you don't put the panels together right and leave gaps in between the joints, you couldn't put enough sealant in to make it work. Most of them have been working with me for a long time, so they understand the importance of doing a really tight building.
Our details call for taping the SIP joints. The reason for doing this is to reduce vapor drive through the joints, increasing energy, reducing air movement, and increasing the durability of the overall envelope.
For more information and details, please refer to the Premier SIPs Resource Manual and visit our website at premiersips.com.